In previous videos, we have looked at some advanced research techniques and where we need to be searching. Library search is your first port of call when you are looking for any information. Library search is where we can type in our keywords. In this example, we will look for items on anti-social behaviour and young people or teenager. Note that in this search I have used the speech marks around antisocial behaviour and young people. I've also used the option "and" to combine my searches to look for antisocial behaviour and young people, and I've used the "or" option to search for young people or teenager. I've also used the star symbol to look for the plural teenager or teenagers. I can now click on search to perform the search. Note that this search has found over 492,000 results. I might want to narrow down this, and I can do this by using the filter options on the left hand side. If I scroll down, I will come to this publication date option on the left hand side, and here I can change the dates to, let's say, 2015 to 2020, and then I can click on to refine to actually perform the search. My search has now found over 118,000 results. I can continue to refine that search, again using the filters on the left hand side, this time perhaps choosing the content type, and I can select just the option for books and e-books just by clicking onto the option. I now have a list of 321 books and electronic books. If I click onto the title of one I'm interested in, it takes me into the full record for the book, Working with Children and Young People, Addressing Disruptive Behaviour. It tells me that the book is at the Collegiate Library and it's at this number 362.7WO. That's where I would find it on the shelf. I've also got a brief description of what the book is about at the bottom of the screen. And if I scroll down further, I've got this useful virtual browse option. This will allow me to look at other books that are on the same topic. In a similar way, if I just wanted to have journal articles, I can click on the option for articles under content type. And here we have our list of articles. I've either got the option to download the full PDF, which will take me straight into the article, or to view available online. If I click onto available online, let's choose this one, Rethinking Microaggression. I click onto available online. I have several options of how I can request this article. I can select one that I want to look at, which will take me into the full text of the article. So in this video, we have looked at library search for finding relevant books and journal articles. Library search is a great way of starting your information finding journey, but you may also want to use some of the subject-specific search engines that we have available. The next video will look at how you can access these subject-specific databases.